More than 5 years ago, India's capital was rocked by riots over the Citizenship Amendment Bill that later became an act. Over 50 people lost their lives, over 500 got injured. Hundreds of police personnel doing their duty got hurt in the scuffle between two communities. 5 years from that deadly wave of violence, the alleged conspirators continue to remain behind the bars. The Delhi High Court rejected the bail plea of Umar Khalid Sharjeel Imam and 7 others in the larger conspiracy case. Prima facie, remember, the court observed that the duo of Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam were architects behind this entire conspiracy. Times Now has accessed the stinging remarks made by the court in its order. The stinging High Court observations, here's what they say against Umar Khalid as well as Sharjeel Imam. They called for protests and chakka jams is what the High Court observed, also saying that they distributed pamphlets in Muslim areas particularly. The court went on to say that the architects behind the entire conspiracy were these two people, Sharjeel Imam as well as Umar Khalid, and went on to say that the evidence against them is not weak. The High Court also said that there is no merit in their plea in seeking bail, and that is why the rejection of their bail. Now, on the larger issue that the accused have the right to bail due to delayed trial, the court observed that this rule is not universally applicable in all cases. It also reminded that the duty of the court is to balance individual rights and interests of the nation. A political slugfest, meanwhile, has broken out over the High Court's verdict. A united opposition has collectively condemned the denial of the bail to Umar Khalid and others, saying that it is travesty of justice. Meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party has said that the opposition and the sympathizers have no trust even in the courts now.
गलत है. बेल इज रूल नॉट एक्सेप्शन, बट यहाँ तो बेल डिनाई करने का मतलब रूल के साथ में खिलवाड़ करना और धर्म के आधार पर ऐसा हो रहा है. और मुझे मालूम है कि कितना दबाव है न्यायपालिका के ऊपर, सरकार का दबाव है.
आज फिर से कांग्रेस और उसके समर्थित इकोसिस्टम को झटका पड़ा है जब उमर खालिद, शर्जील इमाम सहित कई लोगों की बेल, जो दिल्ली दंगों के मास्टरमाइंड रहे हैं, वो रिजेक्ट की गई है दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट के द्वारा. ये दिखाता है कि ये दंगे जो हुए वो स्पॉन्टेनियस नहीं, वो स्पॉन्सर्ड थे. पर ये इकोसिस्टम, जिसमें तृणमूल कांग्रेस भी है, और हैरानी की बात है कि उद्धव सेना की प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी भी है, वो इन दंगाइयों को कवर फायर देते हैं.